Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of Mini Make, where I'm sitting at my desk and I can't possibly fathom living another day in a world where my Ryobi countersinking bits don't have a pouch, case, or holder. So let's go ahead and change that. And so this is actually a very simple build, but that is what Mini Make is all about. So taking a look at the CAD model, we can see a few of the features that I built into this little piece here. Now looking at it in a transparent mode, you can see the hex cutouts for the bits themselves. And in the back, there is a circular cutout that allows you to embed a magnet, a 15mm circular magnet in there to help prevent this thing from sliding around in your toolbox. Inside of the hex holders, there are little tiny raised nubs, and this just helps better retain the bits in case you shake the thing around. It won't let those bits fall out. Up at the top here as well, there are these little notches, and that allows you to use an elastic band in case the bits do ever come loose. Then you can retain everything with an elastic band. So let's get this thing on the printer and then we can test it out. And so there's nothing inherently special about the settings for this print, although someplace in the print you're gonna have to pause it to embed that magnet. So what we're left with here is a very functional print, and you can see that all of the bits fit, including the little hex key. They're easy enough to take out, but they are held in there firm enough that once you press them in and they are fully engaged, when you turn the thing upside down and shake them, they definitely do not fall out. On the back of the print, you can see the magnet that I mentioned earlier, and taking a steel ruler, I can just slap this thing onto the ruler and you can see that it holds itself in place. And if the magnet that you have is not strong enough, it may not support its own weight, but at least it won't slide around in your toolbox. That's it for this build. Make sure you guys check the video description down below for the link to my Thingiverse page where you can download these files and use them for yourself. A lot of times it's these small things that really do make a big difference. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some of my other bigger projects that I have on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.